the right vehicle. Whatever status that you have right now, what are you going to do is to take action of your dreams and goals in life destination. Using the following by walking, bicycle, motorbike, car, boat, airplane, jet fighter plane. Destination going to Baguio, Philippines from Manila to Baguio. Baguio is only 4 to 6 hours away from Manila, depending on which part of Manila you're coming from, which route the bus takes, and whether or not it makes a stop along the way. Regular buses usually take Tao exit or Concepcion exit and make at least one stop. Travel time is around 6 hours. Manila to Baguio by private car. Travel time should only be about 4 hours for a one-way drive. There's no need to worry about catching the next departure time or making stopovers because you're in control. However, you do have to spend on gas and toll fees. For taxi takes 3 hours to travel. If ride by bus it takes approximately 6 hours travel. Example, if you love to do exercise, by walking it takes 50 hours or 240.5 kilometers, if depends on you how to manage. This is what I am telling guys. You need to ride fast vehicle as quick as we can to reach toward our dreams, success and goals in life. In business, you need to search and do diligence before we join or commit. Whatever business platform you decide important is to make your due diligence. Always remember every business this is combination of risk and return of investment. I will help you guys to identify and suggestion where and when is the best time to invest. I suggest this is the right time. I am suggesting the SFIO company to start your investment journey. Why I will show you now. Startfleet Innotech SFIO. SFIO is an asset management company focused on innovation through disruptive collaboration across its three key industries: food and beverage, real estate, and technology. With a strong presence across New Zealand, Australia, and the Philippines, as well as a roadmap for further global expansion. SFIO makes strategic investments in high-growth business, building synergies across its diverse portfolio to provide maximum shareholder value. Guided by tradition, driven by innovation, and enabled by collaboration, SFIO is on a hyper-growth path to build a thriving business ecosystem, with plans to uplist onto a major stock exchange in the near future. Always remember, our salary is an asset, but in order to raise your value as a person, what we need to do is to invest something so that our value getting high. What we called is capital. If we received our salary automatically and make an investment. The best investment portfolio are share of stocks, conglomerate/consumer, real estate, banks, telecom, others, franchise, retail, technology. That's good news. SFIO is a conglomerate company, food and beverage, property, software and technology. SFIO announces strategic plans to uplist to Nasdaq by 2024. To illustrate, I'd like to take the example of our flagship franchise business, Epiphany Cafe. Supported by our ongoing acquisitions and partnerships, transformation enablers, and global network, Epiphany Cafe will be leading the group's charge to capture markets across Australia, Malaysia, UAE, the Philippines, and the United States in 2022. SFIO to invest 100 million US dollars to develop land into a resort-like condotel property in Batangas City, Philippines. Omnicare Industrial Estate and Realty is a subsidiary of AB Acre Capital Holdings, a publicly listed company in the Philippines, plans to contribute land by the Bay of Batangas, where SFIO will develop the land into a resort with 500 units condotel owned by AB Acre Capital and Pride in Batangas City's Monte Maria. SFIO unveils $50 million eco-luxury community in Puerto Princesa City. Global asset management company Starfleet Innotech Incorporated, OTC SFIO, closed off 2021 by signing a joint venture with Filipino partners to build a world-class eco-luxury, health and wellness community on their bayside property in globally renowned Philippine destination Puerto Princesa, Palawan. The project will be owned and developed by SFIO Leisure and Development Incorporated, a joint venture stock corporation, and will see 8 hectares of beachfront land transformed into an exclusive, holistic lifestyle community hidden amongst Palawan's iconic mangrove glades and situated less than half an hour from the Puerto Princesa subterranean river, one of the official new 7 wonders of nature. Technology and software. LNS Plus Group has established itself as a leading hub for technological excellence. LNS Plus command a growing roster of over 60 engineers, designers, systems architects, UX specialists, blockchain developers, and PMs representing a fully fleshed out ecosystem of tech builders. SFIO and Nuroski signed 15 million US dollars partnerships to bring biotech wearables to global markets. The distribution agreement grants SFIO rights to sell Nuroski's bleeding-edge biotech monitoring devices in select regions across the globe, as well as develop new devices under their own brand. SFIO intends to position these wearables as a quantitative way to ensure community health in a post-pandemic world, focusing on the communities that have proven to be most vulnerable to communicable diseases. Now, you already seen the slides and who is the SFIO. I will share with you guys the price of the OTC stock of the SFIO right now. Example, today you buy share of stocks $0.032 year 2022. Example, as of today you have only $500 remaining from your salary savings. $500 divided 0.032 is equal to 15,625 shares. After 5 years, SFIO price appreciate become $2. Example, shares 15,625 times $2 equals $31,250. After 2 years, you already have 31,250 US dollars as a savings. What if it's more than $2? That's wow, right? This is how the stock markets appreciate. That's a very simple computation, no brainer on this. Just only buy shares now, then keep up to 5 years or more, just like you put your money as savings. Please check Google about the company who's participate in the stocks market. You always seen the growth of the companies either is up and down, bullish or bearish. Next slide, I will show you the Jollibee history, Philippines. Now, you see the below history of the Jollibee Foods Corporation. Within 5 years, from 2013 to 2018 prices, peso 87.5 to peso 308.75. This is what I mean, guys. Don't wait longer. Start to invest now. SFIO is ready and advanced, welcoming to our investors and partners globally. Let's go, guys. We're inviting everyone to ride the business. Starfleet Innotech Incorporated, SFIO. SFIO open and inviting the investors for our journey. Our goal of uplisting to the Nasdaq or similar major stock exchange by 2024. Our focus as an asset management company continues to be on innovation through disruptive collaborations. We invest in high-growth businesses and support them through partnerships and opportunities before leveraging our global presence to help them scale exponentially. It's a methodical approach to hypergrowth, representing a clear strategy of acquisition, collaboration, transformation, and expansion. Right now, big and small investor, franchise, partners, affiliate, collaboration, and learn also our masterclass, the Global Academy Online Hub Training. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.